Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro in silver, and this one is 256 gigabytes. Before we jump into the video, I do want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring. I've worked with Squarespace a few times now. They're an all-in-one platform where you can build a website, and I will talk more about them later in this video. So I also went ahead and got the USB-C brick. They don't come with them anymore, which I think is so stupid, but whatever, I got it. I really like these bricks. They definitely charge faster, which is a perk, but I wish they would have just included it with the phones. And then of course I got the MagSafe charger. I was really excited for this. The color of this is absolutely stunning. I was so stuck between whether I wanted to get the gold or the Pacific blue, and then I decided to go with neither and literally go back to classic white because the design of this reminds me so much of the iPhone 4 and 5, which were like my favorite iPhones of all time. So I just love this. It's so pretty. It's very simplistic, and I feel like you just can't go wrong with classic white and silver. So here's a little overview for your viewing pleasure. If you're drawn between what color to get, this is so pretty. And as you can see, I'm already getting fingerprints on the side, but I know people have complained about that, but I don't really care because I'm gonna have it in a case the entire time anyway. So the only real part of this that matters is this part, and this is like a white silver color. Here's a little side-by-side comparison to my iPhone 11. I didn't go with the Pro last year, and I really liked this phone. It was very good to me, and the only reason that I upgrade every year is because I am on an upgrade program. So I trade this phone in every year whenever I upgrade, and I've been doing that for years. Turn it on. Also, if you're new here, the red in my hand and up my arm before someone asks me if I have a breakout or something, it's a birthmark. Well, I'll go ahead and set this up off camera because that's kind of the boring part, and then I will come back and we'll unbox the accessories. So I just finished setting it up, and I only have one case for it. I got this clear case on Amazon just to hold me over until I get my other cases that I ordered. I'm actually getting the Apple case in red because I thought it would be so pretty with the white for Christmas. And then of course I ordered two Casetify cases because those are my absolute favorite, the personalized ones. And those still haven't come in yet. So this clear one is perfect right now though. I will link it below. It's very minimal, so it kind of lets you appreciate the look of the new phone. I do have an iPhone case and a couple of accessories to show you, but before we get into that, I do want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you're someone that is looking to build a website, Squarespace is the perfect place to do it. They're an easy all-in-one platform. Their email campaigns make it super easy to connect with your audience. If you have a blog, their social sharing is so easy because all bloggers need to share on their social platforms, and Squarespace is fully integrated with Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and all of the other social media platforms. They have really easy importing, so you can pull in content from all of your social media directly onto your website, which is such a bonus. So if you guys want to check out Squarespace, go to the link in my description and use the code MelissaLucy. It's www.squarespace.com/MelissaLucy, and you will get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. Now I'll go ahead and open up the MagSafe charger so we can check this out and see what all the hype is about. So I just plugged it in, so let's see. Wow, I love that. Definitely makes it super easy to charge and very convenient. I might even buy a second one of these just to have in my office and then one on my night table. I love that. Well, that is pretty much it for this unboxing video. I am so excited about my new phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.